One day after Hunter Biden was found guilty in a federal firearms trial, the White House has refrained from saying that President Joe Biden will not commute his son's felony sentence. White House spokesperson Karine Jean-Pierre informed reporters that she did not have anything to share beyond what the president had previously stated regarding the issue when they were questioned about a commutation. Hunter Biden was found guilty on Tuesday by a Delaware jury of lying about using drugs at the time he purchased a handgun in 2018. Ms. Jean-Pierre insisted that she had not discussed commutation with the president and instead cited an interview from the previous week in which Mr. Biden declared he would not pardon his son. Presidents of the United States are able to pardon defendants found guilty of federal offenses. They may also decide to completely erase such convictions by issuing an outright pardon. By substituting a lesser term for the one imposed in court, a sentence can be commuted while maintaining the conviction. In state-level instances, presidents are not able to pardon or commute sentences. Speaking to a group of journalists on Wednesday while aboard Air Force One, Ms. Jean-Pierre said, President Biden and the First Lady love their son and they support their son. I just don't have anything beyond that. She continued by saying that she would not discuss the time that Mr. Biden spent with his family on Tuesday night, when the president unintentionally traveled to Wilmington, Delaware, in the wake of his son's jury's guilty decision. From September of last year, when she was asked in a briefing whether the president would pardon or commute his son if he's convicted, Ms. Jean-Pierre's remarks seemed to indicate a change. She said, "I've answered this question before, at the moment. It was requested of me a few weeks ago, not too long ago, and I was rather explicit when I replied no." As the president takes off for Italy on Wednesday to attend the G7 summit, Ms. Jean-Pierre also read an earlier statement in which Mr. Biden committed to accept the outcome of this case and respect the judicial process in relation to the conviction. Hunter Biden entered a not guilty plea to 2 counts, one for carrying a gun while under the influence of drugs or addiction, and the other for lying about his drug usage on a federal background check. When he bought the rifle in October 2018, the 54-year-old stated he was recovering. Hunter Biden might receive a term of up to 25 years in jail overall, though legal experts believe it would be extremely unlikely. Though there is disagreement among constitutional academics on whether a president can pardon himself, Donald Trump, should he win the presidency in November, might be the first to try if he is found guilty in either of the 2 federal criminal charges he is facing.